to start, make a slip knot. Now we're going to chain 4. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through. That's 2 chains. Do 2 more. 1 and 2. Next, we're going to work a double crochet in the 3rd chain from hook. So 1, 2, 3. That will be this chain right there. To do a double crochet, you're going to yarn over and you're going to insert your hook into that chain. Just through the top loop of that chain. So yarn over and then insert your hook in that chain. Next, you're going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 more loops, and that's a double crochet. You want to do 2 more of those double crochets in this space that has gotten bigger. So yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 more loops. That's another double crochet. We're going to do 1 more double crochet in here. Yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 more loops. Now you've made 3 double crochets in that chain space. Now you're going to do a half double crochet in that same chain space, which is very similar to a double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook into that loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 of these loops, and that's the half double crochet. Next, we're going to move on to this next chain space here and just do a single crochet. So to do that, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and that's your single crochet. Now we're going to do a peacock stitch, so that's just going to be a chain. So first chain by doing yarn over, pulling through that 1 loop, and now you're going to insert your hook into first through this loop and then through this loop of the single crochet, these 2 loops there. So let's do that. That loop and this loop. We're going to yarn over and then we're going to go through all of these loops. So yarn over, pull through, and pull through. There's the peacock stitch. Now we're going to do another single crochet in the same stitch that we did the single crochet in the peacock. So insert hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now we're going to go back into this chain space that has all of the double crochets in it. So, and we're going to do a half double crochet, which was a yarn over, yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. That's the half double crochet. And now we're going to do 3 double crochets in here. that's the 3 double crochets. Now we're going to do chain 2, 1, 2, and now to make this look pretty and not like there's a big hole right there, you're going to insert your hook into that hole and you're going to do a slip stitch. So you're going to yarn over, pull through that hole, and then pull through the hole on your hook. And there's your slip stitch. And then we're going to do another slip stitch in this hole right here that has the single crochets in it. So insert your hook in there. Yarn over and pull through there, and then also pull it through the loop on your hook. There's that slip stitch, and then we're going to do one more slip stitch, and we're going to do it in this stitch right here, which is the stitch right before this single crochet stitch. And it can be a little tedious to get your hook through the stitch, but there we go. And yarn over, pull through both of those loops, and then you would cut your yarn off, but my yarn's already short. So after you cut it, you're gonna pull up, tighten it. There's a very mini heart, and now I'll show you how to weave in the ends. You can skip this part if you already know how. I recommend using the darning needle, but if you don't have one, you can use your hook. It's just a little more tedious. So get your yarn through that needle. Okay, and then I like to get this onto the wrong side by going through the same stitch that we slip stitched in. So I'll go in there and then flip over the heart to what's the wrong side. So to weave in your ends, you want to just start going through some stitches, really. Wherever you can easily fit your needle into. So you kind of want to go up and then back down to make it the most secure. So I'm going to go through all of these stitches, which the double crochet stitches are much easier to get your needle in. So that's going up all of these. And then you want to just go back down through other loops. So I'm going to go back down through the tops of the double crochet stitches. And then you can also go back up through some double crochet stitches as well to make it even more secure, which I like because I'm very paranoid about my work coming undone. So if you go up and down multiple times, that's the best way to make it secure. Once you're satisfied with how much you've weaved in, you can just cut off the excess. And you can save up these excess pieces and use them for stuffing amigurumis once you have enough, which is a great way to not feel wasteful about these little pieces. And then you'd sew in this other piece the same way and flip your heart to the right side. And there's your cute little mini heart.